Photosynthesis. It's energy within light that produces carbohydrates. The planet used sunlight, CO2, and H2O to produce glucose, oxygen, and H2O. Where does this process occur? It occurs in a plant, algae, and cyanobacteria. And we could find it especially in the chloroplast. The chloroplast is an organelle that have outer membrane and inner membrane. And the stroma is a fluid-filled region between the thylakoid membrane and inner membrane. The granum is a stack of thylakoid. And this circle shows the thylakoid. In photosynthesis, we have two reactions, the light reaction and the Calvin cycle reaction. In light reaction, the pigment absorbs the solar energy to produce ATP and NADPH. Also, the water is oxidized into O2. Photosystem occur in thylakoid membrane. We have photosystem 2 and photosystem 1. In photosystem 2, the wave light best absorbs P680 nanometer. In photosystem 2, the light or the photons are hitting the photosystem 2 and make the electron excited. The electron that is excited moves from one molecule to another and loses energy. H2O is oxidized to place the excited electron, and the protein is moving from the stroma and enter the lumen from the movement of the electron. In photosystem 1, the wavelight best absorbs P700 nanometer. Another photon are going to hit the photosystem 1, and this are going to excite the electron. The electron will move from one molecule to another and reduces the energy. NADPH are going to synthesize from NADP+. The chemiosmotics mechanism will be used to synthesize ATP from ADP and phosphate group, and the proton are going to move from the lumen to the stroma. We also have cyclic and non-cyclic electron flow. For the cyclic photo-phosphor relationship, we synthesize the ATP, and for the non-cyclic, we produce oxygen, ATP, and NADPH. Calvin cycle reaction occur in the stroma. We need 6 carbon dioxide and 6 RuBH to produce 12 pGal. And also we are going to need 12 NADPH and the 12 ATP for the energy. The 12 pGal are going to be divided into 2. 10 pGal are going to use or regenerate into RuBH, and the other 2 are going to form the glucose or just the carbohydrates that's used in the planet.